Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy. I have some free time today.
That is nice. What do you usually do in your free time?
I like to read books. I also like to listen to music. What about you?
I like to watch English videos. I also practice speaking English every day.
That is great. English is important.
Yes, it is. Why do you learn English, Mark?
I learn English for work. I want a better job.
That is a good reason. I learn English to travel.
Oh, really? Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit the United States. I also want to visit the UK.
That sounds great. Do you like traveling alone?
No, I don't. I like traveling with friends.
Me too. Traveling with friends is fun.
Yes. Mark, where do you live?
I live in a small city. It is quiet and peaceful.
That sounds nice. Do you like your city?
Yes, I do. People are friendly. The food is good.
I love good food. What food do you like?
I like noodles and rice. I also like soup.
I like noodles too. Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but I often eat outside.
I understand. Cooking takes time.
Yes, it does. Emily, do you work or study?
I work. I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it. My coworkers are nice.
That is important. Good coworkers make work better.
I agree. Do you work in an office too?
No, I work in a shop.
Oh, interesting. What do you sell?
I sell clothes, men's and women's clothes.
That sounds busy. Do you work every day?
I work 5 days a week. I rest on the weekend.
That is good. Rest is important.
Yes. What do you do on the weekend?
I relax at home. I clean my house. I watch movies.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, with subtitles.
That is a good way to learn English.
Yes, it helps me a lot.
Emily, do you practice speaking English every day?
Yes, I do. I speak slowly. I speak clearly.
That is good. I want to practice more.
We can practice together.
Really? That would be great.
Yes, we can talk every day.
Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome, Mark. Let's start with simple topics.
Okay, I am ready.
Mark, let's talk about daily routines. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
That is early. What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth, I wash my face, then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. I drink coffee.
I drink tea. I don't drink coffee.
That is okay. Tea is good too.
Yes. After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work. I start work at 8.
How do you go to work?
I go by motorbike.
Is it far?
No, it is near, about 15 minutes.
That is good. I go to work by bus.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes, but it is crowded.
I understand. Crowded places are tiring.
Yes. What do you do at work?
I help customers. I talk to people. I arrange clothes.
Do you like talking to customers?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why sometimes no?
Some customers are difficult.
I see. That can be stressful.
Yes, but I try to stay calm.
That is good. How do you feel after work?
I feel tired, but also happy.
Why happy?
Because I finish my work, I can relax.
That makes sense. What do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner, I watch TV, I practice English.
That is great. How long do you practice English?
About 30 minutes.
That is good for beginners. Slow and steady.
Yes, I listen and repeat.
That is shadowing. Very useful.
I like slow English. It is easy to understand.
Me too. Fast English is difficult.
Emily, how about your daily routine?
I wake up at 7. I do light exercise.
Really? That is healthy.
Yes. Then I eat breakfast and go to work.
Do you like exercise?
Yes, but I don't exercise for long.
That is okay. A little is enough.
Exactly. Mark, how do you feel today?
I feel calm. I feel motivated.
Why motivated?
Because I am learning English.
That is great to hear. How do you feel today?
I feel relaxed. Talking in English makes me happy.
Me too. I feel more confident.
Confidence is important. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
Exactly. Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to work, then I will study English.
That is a good plan. I will do the same.
Maybe we can practice together again.
Of course. We can talk about new topics.
Thank you, Emily. You help me a lot.
You're welcome, Mark. Learning together is easier.
Yes, let's keep practicing.
Yes, slow English every day.
Every day. Mark, let's talk about habits. Good habits are important.
Yes, I agree. I want better habits.
What is one good habit you have?
I wake up early every day. I don't stay up late.
That is a very good habit. Sleeping early is healthy.
Yes. What about you, Emily?
I read a little every day. I read English books.
Do you understand everything?
No, I don't, but that is okay.
Yes. We don't need to understand all words.
Exactly. Understanding the idea is enough.
I listen to English audio every day.
That is great. Do you listen in the morning or evening?
In the evening, I listen before I sleep.
That helps your brain remember.
I think so too. Emily, what is your goal in English?
My goal is to speak clearly, not fast, but clear.
That is a good goal. My goal is to speak without fear.
Fear is normal, but practice helps.
Yes, the more I speak, the better I feel.
Do you write in English?
Sometimes, I write short sentences.
That is perfect for beginners.
I write about my day.
That is a good topic. Daily life is easy to talk about.
Yes, simple topics are best.
Mark, do you enjoy learning English now?
Yes, I do. More than before.
That makes me happy.
Learning with you is fun.
Thank you. Learning together is motivating.
Let's continue tomorrow.
Yes, one step at a time.
Slow and steady.
We can do it.
Yes, we can.